What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another Walk Around Wednesday, and today we're talking tools. That's right. Today is a little bit different. We're going to talk about tools. This is a good one because we're actually doing a giveaway. So stick around just a little bit. I'm going to tell you how to enter this. We've partnered up with Vim Tools. We have a lot of their tools around here. If you go back and watch some of the recent videos, you'll see where Clay from Vim Tools stopped by. We had ordered a bunch of stuff and he actually personally delivered it to us, and we went over everything on the channel, so you can go back, check out a lot of their tools. Also, we've still got some t-shirts on the website. If you guys want to go check those out, pick them up. We've got Maverick shirt over there. We've got the Charger shirt, In Charge. We've got the Superbird shirt, and we've got some traditional hot rod shirts. I think we even have a couple of the old style shirts over there as well. So here's what we've been doing this week. Typically, we'll give you a quick walk around vlog style of just what we're working on. And if you've been following along at all, we've been on our 49 Chevy truck, and we've got about a week left. So we are thrashing right now. So today, for me, this is a really quick one. Happy to be indoors too. We've got about 20-degree weather outside, which we don't typically get, and we're looking to get 6 to 8 inches of snow over the next couple of days. We don't really ever get that either, so it's cold, keeping my ears warm. All right, so on our 49 Chevy behind us, we've got a lot done. I've been working on the upholstery today. We've gotten all that finished up and it's ready to go into the truck. We recently just fired it up, so stay tuned for that. That fuel injection, stacked injection, looks really cool under there. She sounds mean. All the rear end's done where we did the split bumper. We've got the wood going in it now, which is looking good. We're just about ready to get it down on the ground, and I can't wait to see it together and on the ground. We've got our Oracle headlights in there now. I could keep going. Everything's looking great, but we're talking tools today. So here's what we've got going on. We've been talking to Vim Tools a little bit, and I said, hey, you know, I love these tools so much, and we have so many of them around the shop. All the guys love them. Vim is kind of our go-to when we use tools, and I was like, I want to give something away. I want to give something to you guys, so if you've never tried a Vim tool before, I want to put it in your hands, and I want to show you how great they are, because I guarantee you, if you win what we're going to give away, you're going to be a Vim guy for life, because there's some great tools. I've got a few other tools on the table I figured we'd show you, but if you're following along with this build, you're going to see us use these throughout. So here's what we're going to do. We've got 2 of their master sets, their socket master sets, and we're going to give those away. We've got the SMS 400 kit, which is a quarter drive, and we've got the SMS 600 kit, which is a 3/8 drive. These are both socket sets that we use in the shop every day. Everything you need pretty much is in here. Let me show them to you. So the first set we're going to check out is the SMS 600 kit. This is their 52-piece 3/8 drive socket set. Love this set, a lot of stuff in here. So what we've got is, in standard, we've got everything from a 1/4 inch to 7/8. In metric, we've got 8 millimeter up to 19. We've got those in short sockets and deep. Now these are a chrome satin finish. So what I love about these is you're not going to have chrome flaking off down the road, no corrosion. They're pretty much going to stay like this. We've used this kit a lot. Obviously, we take care of them. We keep them clean, so they stay looking good. But one of the things I like the most when I first initially got these kits is they already come in the foam tray. So once you unpackage this thing, it's ready to slide it in the drawer of your toolbox. You don't have to worry about going and buying tracks or socket holders or anything like that. It shows up in this super thick, heavy foam material that everything's already placed in here. We've got a 3/8 drive 14-inch ratchet. I really like this ratchet a lot because we've went through a lot of ratchets over the years. If you're anything like I am, you've probably broke some ratchets. And I've broke a lot of the name brand ratchets. And you know, I've kind of gotten to where you get to that threshold, you know, I'm about to break this thing. Well, so far I've yet to break a Vim ratchet. And if you hop over onto their website and you look at some of their information, they show testing out these ratchets and how much they can handle, and it's pretty impressive. We've had breaker bars on these, and I'm telling you, it was to the point I knew we were going to snap one and we didn't. So in my opinion, it's well worth it just for the ratchet itself. We've got a 3-inch, we've got a 3-inch, we've got a 3-inch, so we've got a 3-inch wobble extension, 10-inch wobble extension, and a 6-inch wobble extension. Also comes with a crowfoot wrench. I never thought I would use this as much as I do, but this is really handy to have. That also comes in the kit. And then their universal adapters. This is one thing that I really liked when I started using Vim, is all of theirs are spring-loaded. So if you're getting down in an area and this thing's just flopping all over the place, you're putting a piece of tape around it trying to hold it, these are spring-loaded. So they just pop right back into place. So you can kind of fish it down in there, get it where you need it to be, and then it's not just going to fall over on you. So those work really well. And these are made with hardened CRV alloy steel. And one thing that they were telling me in the beginning when we started using them a while back was you can run an impact on these. So the whole thing of if it's black, it gets an impact. If it's chrome, it doesn't. And we used to get a hard time about that because when I was hosting the Truck Tech, we would get emails sent in. If I were to put one of these sockets on one of our battery-powered impacts just to zip something off real quick, swarm of emails would come in about how I was not supposed to do that. Well, you can with these. Now moving on to the SMS 400 kit. This is their 1/4-inch drive kit. You get a lot of the same stuff that you do with the 3/8 drive kit. You get the crowfoot wrench, you get the universal spring-loaded adapter, you get a 1/4-inch drive 10-inch ratchet. These are really tough too. You get a 6-inch wobble extension, same thing with the 3-inch extension. Now this comes with everything from a 4mm up to a 15. So it's starting really small and still getting you up there pretty big with the 15mm. For standard, we're going from 3/16 up to 9/16. So we've got those in short and deep sockets as well. So how nice are these, right? So I want to give these both to you. So one person's going to win both of these master sets, the 3/8 and the 1/4-inch drive. So here's how you can enter to win these. There's a few different ways you can do it. One is here on YouTube. If you subscribe to this channel and you comment on this video, Vim Tools, that enters you to win. Also, if you watch any of our upcoming videos and you see where I talk about the giveaway, if you subscribe and comment Vim Tools on any of those, that also enters you to win. Now, if you're an Instagram, Facebook guy, that's cool. Hop over to our page, the Hot Rod Shop MS, and you can enter over there as well. What you're going to do there is follow the Hot Rod Shop MS, my page, and follow Vim Tools and tag 3 people in the post when you see it come up. And that's going to enter you to win. So, tag people. Let's get some people involved. We're going to give these away on March the 10th. That's actually my birthday, so I want to give something back. Hopefully, this is something that you guys can really use. I know how it is. Maybe some guys are starting out. You really don't have the funds to go buy all these expensive tools. I get it. So I want to be able to help you guys out. I want to get some cool tools in your hand. I've been using Vim for a while. I love everything about everything they have, and I'm not kidding you when I tell you, you will become a Vim person once you use these tools. So I can't wait to give these away to you. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and make sure to comment Vim Tools. Any of the future videos, as long as you subscribe and comment Vim Tools, you're in. Once again, Instagram and Facebook, follow me, follow Vim Tools, tag 3 people, that enters you again. So just keep it rolling. All right, so I know that was a little different, but I'm super excited to be able to give you guys something. Make sure to subscribe and comment Vim Tools. Check out the channel, watch some of the other drops that we have. Go get yourself a t-shirt, but make sure to pay attention to this because on March 10th, we're gonna do a random pull and we're gonna give these to somebody. So make sure you enter here, go over to Instagram and Facebook, enter there as well, and just follow along. We're having a good time over here. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching. we'll see you Sunday.